Hello all, I am Dr. Archana Daftardar, consultant nephrologist at Renova Hospital, Kompally. We are discussing about the PD or peritoneal dialysis. Last time we have seen how we place the catheter surgically in the abdomen and then the dialysis is done. So the types, let us discuss the types of peritoneal dialysis. CAPD, which is continuous ambulatory peritoneal dialysis. As the name suggests, it is done continuously. So that means there is something going on with this dialysis for 24 hours. So it is happening continuously. Ambulatory means patient is mobile. Even if there is a dialysis happening, but the patient is able to move around. So that's why it is called as ambulatory. And PD means peritoneal dialysis. So in this type of peritoneal dialysis, the dialysis is happening 24 hours and the patient is mobile. So let us see how this happens. As I said, initially the tube is placed. Once the tube is placed inside, there is a special kind of fluid which is called as dialysate, which is rich in glucose. It is infused in the abdomen. There is a cell wall in the peritoneum which is full of blood vessels, and in those blood vessels, small vasculature also there, capillary vasculature, and in that the blood, in those capillaries, there is high content of the toxins or the waste material in the kidney failure patient. So when we infuse special type of fluid inside the abdomen through this tube, there is an exchange which happens between the blood vessel capillaries and this fluid, and this extra waste material which is there in the blood of the patient and the extra fluid which is there in the blood of the patient is carried to this fluid, and the required balancing electrolytes are again taken into the body of the patient via the blood vessels. It is very important to note that not all the blood components leak into the peritoneum, because it is specialized in such a way that important materials like red blood cells or any other proteins, they are not leaked in the peritoneum. So they are held back to maintain the patient's metabolic milieu. So then what happens, once this is put inside, the fluid is artificially put in, and it is done by the patient or with the help of the relatives. The fluid is infused in the abdomen and it is kept for some time. So maybe this time is called as dwell time. So in CAPD, usually we do 3 to 4 exchanges. Usually the 3 exchanges of 8 hours, 8 hours and 12 hours at night. Daytime 8 hours, 8 hours and 12 hours at night. 8 hours, 8 hours and 8 hours at night, or 8, 6, 12, like that. So this fluid is infused inside and the exchange happens. Extra fluid is taken out with the special type of connector which is connected to that tube, and the bag is filled with the drain, that is called as drain, or the waste material, and this bag along with the fluid is discarded. So this usually patients do it at home with the help of the relative. Morning time the fluid is taken inside, then the patient is disconnected from the IV tubes, the special Y tubes. Patient is disconnected from the station, and then patient is mobile to move around. Again afternoon the patient will come back to the station or the bed, and again the tube is connected to the catheter. The extra water is, the fluid inside the peritoneum is drained and it is discarded. At the same time the new fluid is filled in the abdomen, and again the patient is disconnected from the station, and then patient goes again for the next work, whatever. At night again the same procedure is done, and overnight it is kept. So usually 3 to 4 exchanges can be done with CAPD, but it has to be done manually. So let us see the second type of the peritoneal dialysis, which is called as APD, that is automated PD. Automated PD is done with the help of a machine. So this machine is called as cycler. The patient at night when he goes to the bed, there is a machine kept beside the bed, and there are the same dialysate bags which are of more quantity like 5 liters. They are attached to the machine and then they are connected to the catheter via the special tube. Patient has to enter all the information in the machine as advised by the doctor and the PD technician, and once they press the button, the machine starts. It works on the electricity, and for some time even as a battery backup will be there for some time. So this whole night the exchanges will keep on happening. The fluid goes in, the extra waste fluid comes out, again the new fluid goes in. So these cycles will keep on happening throughout the night, and in the morning the machine is automatically stopped and patient can get himself disconnected from the machine and disconnect the tube from the catheter. In the last cycle, usually some fluid will be kept in patient's abdomen or belly, and then whole day patient will have that much fluid in his abdomen. So this for the whole day patient is free to do his work, his or her work. So this is called as automated PD. Thank you.